Hello students, today we will learn how to change Windows date and time by using a Java program. Actually, the concept of making Java program is due to some problem, and the problem was this: every day as I opened my computer in the morning, found that my date and time were not correct. When these were not correct, I just used Windows feature, and in that one I used that option, adjust date and time. When I clicked on that one, and then you will see that there is one sync, date and time sync option is there. So when I click that one, I found that date and time sync is getting failed. So two three times I tried it, so couldn't come out of the problem. So when I couldn't come out of the problem, then I thought that there should be some alternative of doing that one. So it came up from there, and that's why I am making a Java program for this to change my Windows date and time. So let us start it, please. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll go to my Java package already created. Then here you can create a class, and I'll give this class name as WTT, Windows date time. Windows datetime class, and here put tick this public static void main and finish it. Once you are done, remove this, and here you can take date in a string variable. Say I'll write here dt, and I initialize my date. Say here date is right now is incorrect date, so I'll put it 5th of February, 5th of January. So I'll write it 5th 01 and say January 2025. This is my date which I want to change it, and then terminate it. Then after this, you there's one class, runtime class, that is in Java. I'll use that, and what I'll do, I'll call a method, get runtime method of this, and then after that I will execute it. Execute what? I'll execute this date. So I have got this dt, but this command has to be issued on cmd. So I'll have to specify here cmd, and then you can specify here cmd, and then you can write here /c, which will change what? It will change your date. So right here date, and then embed with this date which you are changing, which you are going to change there. So now once you have done this, terminate it. And once you have done, then after this, it's actually already marked and saying that you need to put it in try catch block, so that if error is coming, those could be indicated. So here remove this part, and there's no need. And then after this, you can just once it is done, everything is fine, now you can run this program. So see, what is the time right now? Date has been given 6th of February 2025. So I'll just change this one first, and then I'll try to change my time. So just save it and run this program. Go here and click on this, run this WTT, and you can see date has been changed. The date has become now 5th of 5th of January, and time is, sorry, year is 2025. And what I gave here, that I have seen there as it has changed it. But now after this, I'll change time of my Windows. So I'll write here string time, and time I'll give 5 o'clock in the morning. So 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:10, 5 hours 10 minutes, say 30 seconds, and then I'll put it as morning AM, and then again I'll save it, then I'll terminate it. Then once I have terminated, then again same execution line can be placed here for time as well. So instead of changing time date, now you change time. Why actually I am doing cmd means it is going to DOS prompt first, and there it is showing a command change, and that change is firstly it is going to cmd command dot cmd, and there then it is showing change what time is getting changed, and then to what it is changed with this variable by t. So again issue this command and then run it. Just save it, please keep in mind you will have to save it. Once you have saved, now this t is 5 hours 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So let us do it. So I'll just run this program and see the output. 5 hours 10 minutes. You can see it is 5 hours 10 minutes. And if you haven't seen it, again I'll change it so that you will have a clear. I'll make it 4 p.m. now. 4 p.m. So just do it again, save it and run it. And make date say it is 1st of January and save it. You will get the response. Just run this program with WDT and see here 410 and 1st of January. Like this, you can make a change on the date and time by using a Java program. So hopefully you will like it, please. Thank you very much for seeing.